Yep. And that exactly how you look at it. There's these things. 28%. So that means if you double this, potentially, this could go double. When the budget is out, that means this ad right here stop running. The big second topic right now is about reading the charge. So basically, I would say average about 3 units per day. And right now you have 280 unit, right? So you have about 3 months worth of stock. But I'm just going to be very conservative. Let's say 1.5 to 2 months worth of stock.
Okay.
You will need 1 month for production and 1 month for shipping. So I think that eventually you will need to reorder soon. Welcome back, Shifu Warrior, and thank you so much for tuning in and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I have a lot of you guys DM me and asking, how can you run PPC profitably? And how can you really get your product out to more people? I want to emphasize this very important key point is that finding your first product is 50% of the equation. On top of it, running the right PPC would also be the remaining, building your brand. And in today's video, I would love to share with you guys the first PPC 101 on how I assessing and help our private mentorship students to learn about their PPC and help them set up to success. And let's dive into this video. And before we go in, this video might not be for people who have not launched their product yet, but you still be able to learn because I'm breaking it down very simple. And if you have any question, feel free to join my upcoming workshop this Sunday. Link in the video description. You can sign up. It's completely free. And it's about 1 hour long workshop where I break down the concept of how you can start from scratch with zero money out of your pocket to build your passive income machine with Amazon from 0 to 10K in the first 6 months. And this seat is exclusive and is limited, so make sure you sign up for your spot. So let's dive into the videos and take as much note as possible. And if you're new here, my name is Justin. I build and sell Amazon brands since 2019. A quick disclaimer, this is not a get rich quick and it will take some time, okay? So if you're looking for a get rich quick, I am sorry, but this video would not be for you. Let's dive into the video and get ready to learn. So one of the tips that I want you guys to be when it's come to analysis is to be as OCD as possible. And the reason behind it is that just think of it as when you do an analysis, the clear, just like you fishing, the clearer the water, the calmer it is, the better you can shoot. And in this case, if you take a look at the default views, there's so much information and it make us cloudy. And on top of it, it's just like too much friction. So for us to calm that water down, like for example, like this, you see, this is unnecessary. And I'm just sharing with you like the habit when I conduct business. It's always about I want the cleanest, the most efficient as possible. You see? So that's number one, compact. Number two, custom. We don't need this one for now. We just want to look at the cost per click, the rate, total cost. I also want ACoS for now. Yeah, so now you see everything is just a lot cleaner, right?
Yeah.
Everything is just a lot cleaner now. And that's helped us look at things a lot better. So now, one look, you know exactly which campaign is performing. When you see these ACoS, it's like low, just know exactly that the factor influence the ACoS. And in this case, it's your bundle. The bundle that you put together, presented to the off customer, and the customer are happy. That's why they spend money without us talking too much.
Okay.
And that's why the ACoS is way lower. The opposite. Let's say if your bundle is like a Me Too, or you don't offer any values. You offer to a lot of people, 10 people, 7 like 10 people say no. Because you're working as banking, you understand the logistic, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So these are good. That means whatever you do is good. So now I want you to take a look at the status. Look at this one.
Okay.
It said out of status. What does that mean? Think of it as a banker, okay? This salesperson is a banker, and he's the top producer in the branch. But you only limit him, let's say, 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day,
Yeah.
and you cut him out. Meanwhile, he's one of the best performance. That means your bank won't be able to make a lot of money.
Okay.
Are you with me on the logic?
Yeah.
So for you, as a business owner of the bank, you see this employee is working well. What would you do? Right now you cap him at, let's say, like 1 hours out of 8 per day. So, and he even said, I'm out of money right now.
Yeah.
So how would you do? Would you increase it?
Yeah. I will increase it. Yeah.
Yep. And that exactly how you look at it is these things. 28%. So that means if you double this, potentially, this could go double. When the budget is out, that means this ad right here stop running. That means it won't show anything else. Are you with me? So
Yeah.
help me understand what I just shared with you.
Oh, okay. So basically, the idea that you mentioned is we should promote that thing work best for us, right? We don't limit the capacity. Right now, the capacity is just $10 daily that we limit at the minimal amount. So we should increase this to accelerate the capacity.
That is correct. And usually around this time, like trying to check, like I usually lock in about noon, afternoon, and evening. Pay attention to when this run now.
Okay.
If it run now like in the morning or afternoon, that means you are wasted half of a day of potential sales.
So I basically need to check at the end of the day or
Yeah.
in the morning or
Set an alarm just so that you pay attention to it. Because right now, basically, you are giving these campaigns an opportunity to make money. And for you as a business owner, you're basically managing them,
Yeah.
managing the system. And it only takes 5 minutes. I want you to download the app on your phone.
I already did.
And on the app, you can adjusting and you can take a look at throughout the day. All right?
Yeah.
And probably 15 minutes per day. Because right now all the work has been front loaded and you and our team has been already accomplished the front load. Right now, assessing, reflection, improvements. And double down when you start seeing the key. Okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. If I were you, I would double it because I want to test, okay? I want to test this guy. So that's one way. Remember, this is a group, okay? A group of banker. Now we're going to go into this one. A group of salesperson. We're going to go into the detail. In that group right now, let's say you have 16 people in the team. Right?
Yeah.
We're going to go even further into and look at which team member play a good part in making the most money. Remember, as always, last 30 days. Yep. So this person right here have been the breadwinner of the team.
Okay.
He has been the breadwinner of the team.
Yeah.
And if you take a look at the suggested bid right here,
Yeah.
we are giving him just like the median, which is between 0.45 and 0.73. This is the median. So as you increase the budget at the same time, you also want to give this guy slightly more money so that he can perform, but not at a point where you're overspending, okay? You want to increase like 10%, 30% gradually. But right now he's been performing well. And you can even check, okay? So let's say the keyword, because we are running a broad campaign right here.
Yeah.
So inside of this broad campaign, there are even more employee underneath this group. Let's say, for example, we have hot, like a black cup, right? Underneath this team, we have, let's say, black, tall cup, black, tall, color changing cup, different variation. So when you run the report, or one of our teammates gonna help you run the report, you're gonna see even further who is inside that producing.
Okay.
Okay. So what I just go over is basically number one, how to have a bigger picture of the big water and clear water, okay? And how to calm the water so you can take a look from a bird eye views. And then as you zoom out, you gradually zooming in on which team has made decent amount of money. And then you start gradually zooming in next level, which is, let's say right here, we have a group of teammates, and even further. Any question based on what I share today?
Oh, yeah, thanks so much. I didn't know how there's many components inside that PPC for each of criteria like this. Yeah, so yeah, it really makes sense that with the top performer, we should encourage more on the one that.
Yeah.
Okay, so we saw the clip. Perfect. Yeah.
And Jamie, you have any question?
No, I got it.
Yeah. So this one is good. The phrase is good. We have broad performing phrase performing well. Auto also been auto usually they slightly spending more because they are throwing a wider net. Phrase is a broad is second wider. Phrase is like smaller. Exact is straight up shooting at each different target. I would say now let's zoom out. From a big picture, your offer is met the market demand. So right now, your next action item is number one, accumulate as much review as possible so you can start building reputation. And understand that your first reviews, bad review will come in from customer who don't understand how to use your product.
Yeah.
It will come in, and that's why it's important to always getting more reviews coming in to suppress the negative and then fix the negative too.
Okay.
That's number one action item as always, getting more reviews. Number two is focusing on ads and see where it's going. And number three, inventory management. Okay. Let's say right now we are launching in February, things starting to gradually pick up. Let's see. So purchases is the red color. So we purchase at 0, 1. One thing that I'm also share is that there are some delay on here, okay?
Yeah.
So we cannot trust that for us to look. What we can do is we can trust it here. So let's say in the next 30 days, if we continuously doing, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 4, 8, 10. 10 divided by...
Today is 1.
10 divided by 6 is about roughly 1 to 1.5 per day. So if you project, how many units you have available right now?
Right now, checking back, 289.
289. So let's say 289 divided by 1.8. So let's say 2 units per day. 289. Two units per day. 30 days is 60 units, right?
Yeah.
30 days, 60 units. However, I do expect you could pick up more on this.
Yeah.
So let's say 3 units per day. Let's just be average. Because the tree eventually... Let me show you Angel Charger. The big second topic right now is about reading the charge. So this is a good example that you can mimic. So this one is one of our student, Angel. Yeah, Angel right here. So he launched around this time. So you see the wave right here.
Yep.
And if you take an average, a linear, you in mathematics, you know what a linear line is, right?
Yeah.
So you see a linear line? That means your
It's upward
sale,
trend.
yeah, it's a momentum. As the ball starting to roll, the
Yeah.
momentum will started to pick up.
Yeah.
And our goal right now is that we're reading the chart. This chart right now is a good indication that you have met the demand. So basically, I would say average about 3 units per day. And right now
Yeah.
you have 280 unit, right? So you have about 3 months worth of stock. But I'm just gonna
Yeah.
be very conservative. Let's say 1.5 to 2 months worth of stock.
Okay.
So that means, let's say when your inventory going down, you will need 1 month for production and 1 month for shipping. So
Okay.
I think that eventually you will need to reorder soon, okay? But before you
Okay.
reorder soon, just make sure that understand what the negative reviews could be so that you can fix it, okay?
Yeah.
And that's it. That's it for now. Alright guys, I hope that you find a lot of values out of this video. And if you want to learn more about Amazon PPC, we are about to launch an exclusive Amazon P program that would help you understand the in and out of Amazon as a beginner and how to grow your brand fast with Amazon. And on top of it, this is just one sauce that we use to marketing. We also have influencer marketing course that we will be super excited to roll out in this 2026. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, ask away if you have any question, and I hope you find value out of this video. And a lot of people asking about my mentorship program. The March has completely sold out, and right now we are taking the wait list for April. And we selected a very handful of people, only a couple people, every single month, so that me and my team can be hands-on with you guys, okay? So if you are right now a 9-to-5 worker or a busy business owner and are looking to make passive income with Amazon with 1 to 2 hours of work every single week to manage the campaign and system, you can apply for our waitlist in April. And other than that, I appreciate you for tuning in. Share this video with the people that you find helpful. And don't forget to join my upcoming workshop this Sunday, okay? Where you can conversate with me. And if you have any question, I'm there for you. And subscribe to my YouTube and Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace for now and 1% better every single day. You got it in you, okay? Never let the world tell you otherwise. We got this.